Guru Mantras from ProfBiz. Remember, you are in market to make profit. And this Guru Mantras is just observations of market for past many years, which we have been trading around. The basic things, basic steps you should always follow, and that will lead you to achieve a good profit level. First is always note high, low, open, and close of the day. Keep candlesticks trends pattern in front of you. Understand new news and point covered fundamentals. Brainstorming about news impact on market and on which commodities. Ask at least 5 to 10 questions to yourself about the fundamental news. What will be the impact? If this, then what? Write down percentage of confidence. Now you have asked 10 questions, and if you get all the 10 questions answers of the fundamental news, your confidence level will increase. Select your commodities for trade. For example, if you have got the news of a specific commodity, then you confidence level of each and every commodity is different. The more the confidence on which commodity, you will select accordingly. Select number of lots as per your confidence and margin. Suppose you believe that your percentage of confidence on any product of trade is more than 80%. You can trade with a good lot of numbers as per your margin. Then select entry and exit level. Level trading, this is called as level trading because you feel like, okay, if gold cross 2800, it will be 2000 and 2840. For example, if the crude news is there, metals news is there, anything happening in China, so select your entry and exit level. Then is more important is select your stop loss. Make a call on paper, calculate profit and loss. Set the screen as shown on Odin trading software. That will help you out to understand and give you the clear picture of what actually we are seeing and what fundamental reaction is there in technical graphs. Understand market trends through daily chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and understand the trend, whether it is downside, upside, or sideways trends. There are different timing zones on which you can trade. For example, morning trade, that is called as open market strategy. It is very simple. Notes yesterday open, high, low, and close rate of commodity. If open rate of today is above yesterday's close, then buy call. In morning, don't trade heavily for bigger margins. Trade for 10 to smaller baby steps. Takes baby steps. Keep target and stop loss less. 5% target, stop loss 10%. If open rate is below yesterday closing, sell. Time of the trade, the target should be achieved in 1 or 2 hours. That means 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. If it is your target is not achieved in 1 p.m., exit the position. That exit the same exit at some profit above cost to cost. Afternoon trade, this is a slow market strategy where from that means the market is in a slower range, dull mode from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. In this market, the less volatility is there, so you can trade more frequently and with a smaller range. That will give you the benefit of practice. Trade is more small target. Trade is more and the target is small. Third is evening strategy. That is 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is a high volatile market. More risk and more reward. Watch evening news. Internet browse for any specific commodity. Data, any specific timing when the data is there. Any special commodities, specific commodity related data is there. Check we are with all or against the news. Whether your calculation or whether your fundamental analysis is with the researchers news with the news or with against the news. Then buyer and seller ratio. When you are on a screen, you will see the buyer and seller ratio. Select the ratio accordingly and make the positions. If the fundamental and technicals are matching, take a call on paper. Write entry, exit point and stop loss. Target and stop loss should be big because of high volatility. Target should reach in 2 hours. This is important. The reason for volatility is US market and other market opening time. Then fourth is night trade. That is good night strategy. 7 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Limited time of trade. High pressure game. This is a high pressure game because at the end market is going to close at 11:30, so we have limited time. We cannot wait. It is generally closing strategy and going with trend. If you find your trade is with the trend, you keep the trend open. And if it is going against the trade, against your trend, close the and book the profit. Then we will come with strategies. As you seen in the graph which is set, you will see daily graph, you will see weekly graph, you will see monthly graph. That is for the trend setting. But real trading happens in 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes graph. Because we enter and we exit soon, because we should understand we don't have to catch a big fish, we have to fill our stomach with small fish, so we just need small profits but number of times. So once you have set the screen, there are 5 points theory to make any call. This is very important, please listen carefully. First is Sensex and commodity market is always opposite and it should be with a good range. Second, gold and energy are opposite, bullions. Third is metals chart, buyer and seller ratio. It should be up near to be 70-30 ratio to place and enter into the market. Then dollar and rupees index. Once you have jotted down all these 5 points, you will find out that okay, the chart is with trend and we can take a call. Once you have entered into the market, you should always keep focus on these 5 points for entry and exit as soon as your target comes or near to your target. Don't wait for the things to turn around for bigger profits. Now in the sheet you can see the whole market is on the red side. That means the trend is negative. MCX Comdex is 24 minus, so it's a clear downturn trend. Third is buyer and sellers are right now equal, but there is a huge selling pressure because whole commodity market is in downtrend. So you can anytime take a sell call. For that reason, as you can see in the market, we have taken our sell positions, and that is giving profit. MTMGL. Now you can see the points like first is whether the trend is right. Second is graph is in our direction. Buyer and seller ratio. What is dollar index? So all this news when mixed together gives you the entry and exit positions. Third, mantras which we are talking about is there is a human tendency, there is a level trading which we call it. Whenever the market is below 40, please note, whenever the market is below 40, the chances of reaching to zero is huge. So you should always place a call below 37 for the target of 7 or 0. This is accuracy level for this call is 90%. Similarly, if it crosses 57 or 67, it will touch 97 and 100 because 20 40, 60, 80 and 100 are major support and resistance in the market. This is our observations. This is not a rule, but it is our observation. Gold and energy are generally opposite 85% times. Sensex and commodities are opposite. Buyer and sellers different 70-30 ratio. ATP, average trading price. Always enter into the market when the call is above ATP for buy position and below ATP for sell positions. If you follow this Guru mantras, we promise definitely your success ratio will be much more. You can see our best shots or best performance. Can you ever imagine a account with 1000 rupees can go to 10,000 in 15 days? Yes, what we are talking about is in front of us. So with the account of 1000 rupees, it has been made to 10,500 with from 31st May to 16th June. Secondly, we can see with the account of 5,000, it has been made 34,000. Third, with the account of 41,000, it has been made almost 167, 163 or 60, 160. So you can see this is the reality. We are not like what we see, what we believe. This is the real tradings of our clients. Hope you like this session of Guru Mantras, and please keep the points noted. It's very necessary and important for you to become a good trader, expert traders. If you like our training program, training to trading program, please refer your friends and your beloveds so that they should also get advantage or from this training to trading course. Definitely you should start your earning from here only by referring n number of people to us. We will give you referral benefit for the same.